Hello friends, issue 30 of the Batmobile Tumbler comes with the platforms and caps, so let's have a look. Platforms, it's probably for the bearing we have assembled in issue 29, but let's not get us ahead of ourselves. Yep, okay, let's check. What's in here? Some caps and ACP screws. Okay, so they're quite similar. We need this one to go in there and then turn the platform around and take the bearings with the retainers facing upwards. Quite straightforward this. And then this one we should move freely, then push it. No, not quite. It needs a screw. An ACP. To secure it in place, just drive the screw through that hole there in the middle and tighten it up. There we go. Movement in the platform. All good. And this completes stage 30. Straightforward, nice and easy. I shall see you in stage 31.